Imagine a bank losing thousands of customers every month. But what if we could predict which customer is going to leave before the actual leave? Hi everyone, I am Arif. In this video, I will show you how can complete customer chunk prediction system using machine learning. I'm in BSc in computer science and engineering graduate and I am AI engineer. I work on end-to-end AI solution including machine learning, dictionary, natural language processing, MLOps, Streamlit, Flux, Docker, and more. In this project, you will go from raw data analysis, model building, evaluation. This is my dataset. This customer bank chunk prediction analysis. This introduction. My dataset overview, customer ID, credit card, geography, and more columns or feature. Excited it my target variable. This is table content of my project. Introduction, dataset overview, exploratory data analysis, data visualization, data preprocessing, handling, class imbalance, model building, and model evaluation, classification, report, confusion matrix, ROC graph, and feature importance, and more. First of all, I import my necessary library for Pandas, NumPy, and especially visualization. I import Matplotlib, Seaborn, Polity. This is my pre-processing step for data like level encoding, one-hot encoding, min-max scalar, and train test split. Imbalance to balance my dataset. I used this this model, logistic regression, decision tree classifier, random forest classifier, gradient boosting classifier, and more. Support vector machine. And this is evaluation matrix, classification report, confusion matrix, ROC, AUC, score, and more. I input my dataset. This is my dataset path, and I copy this path and paste this. This is my dataset. This is my dataset feature. Excited is my target variable, and I say customer ID, credit score, geography, gender, age, and more. First of all, I check information and describe and is null below have in my dataset. I use info, my dataset total information through this and describe, and my dataset is not null below. Exploratory data analysis. We try answer question this like which customer are more likely or chunk does age after chunk, which country has highest chunk rate. For analysis, we found would customer tend to chunk and more. Interactive user and more like to leave customer with high balance also chunk and more. Data pre-processing step is my first of all I drop my unnecessary column customer and username. Label encoding like gender, one hot encoding geography, and level encoding my previous one hot encoding features column geography Germany, geography Spain. This is my new column geography Germany, geography Spain. This is new column. I was remove my geographic column and create new column. This is a scatter means balance, credit score, estimate salary, excited color, and no excited color, blue, and it's another color. This check high accuracy, my dataset and code. I drop excited column because excited is my target variable. I use Imbalance to balance dataset before for after. Before my dataset have 0 means and 1 means, after excited 1 means and 0 means are actual same. I train was split train test dataset and use min max scaling and build model. I use 5 classification model: logistic classification tree, random forest, gradient boosting, support vector machine. And my data evaluation, fit 10 model, model predicate test, predict proper test, 1. Logistic regression classification report, I see precision, recall F1 score and support. This confusion matrix plots means this is my missing below, means this is my bull prediction, wrong prediction, this is my wrong prediction, this is my actual prediction, this is my actual prediction. This is accuracy is 79 point, and this is my wrong prediction, this is my actual very wrong prediction, this is my actual prediction. This classification accuracy is 86%, maybe high accuracy in this model. And more gain boosting classification, confusion matrix, and other. Feature important. We also analyze feature important, understand which factor import chunk or most. Top feature including age, balance, active member, number of product. This is important for business decision making. For this project, I can conclude focus on inactive customer previous offer a high balance user. Increase engagement for customer with few product, and this is can significantly reduce churn. So that how you can build a complete end-to-end machine learning project, chunk prediction machine learning. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your thoughts, subscribe for more AI and ML content, and feel free check my Kaggle and GitHub for helpful project code. See you in the next video.